Ladies and gentlemen, the following video, make sure you sit down for. Because it's a messy one. Oh. I'm good. How are you, sir? I don't think I've been here before.
You've been here before?
I haven't been here before. Here's my card.
I'm watching your video on YouTube.
Okay.
Yeah, and
That's great.
I got the number from there.
Excellent.
Yeah.
It's a very narrow staircase.
That's pretty old house. This is the baby here. It's a little bit heating, but up it's not getting up there. And yesterday the steam were coming out from here and also leaking there. And after that, it may only up here, not anywhere else.
You have no heat right now.
No,
And the thermostat on?
thermostat on here.
Yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Sure about that?
Yeah, well, it's here.
My God, what's up with the water heater?
It's been like that.
It's been like that, I hear you.
Yeah, this
Oh my
been like
God.
a year ago. I need that pretty soon.
Wow. Crazy. How old's this boiler?
I think he told me 7, 8 years.
Who's he?
Lelo.
The landlord?
Yeah.
I'm adding some water to the boiler.
Yeah.
All right, well, that explains why you got no heat. Yeah. Your boiler's kaput. Yeah. Is it treatable? Yeah. Of course it's treatable. Treatable when you give me, in the teens of thousands of dollars, and I give you a new boiler. Yeah.
You need new boiler.
You need a new boiler. Yeah. It's leaking. It's like a rainforest in there. Yeah. That sucks. And it's not that old either.
No.
Yeah. That's a shame. It really is. Where is the model number? There it is. Yeah, it looks like 2016.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, there's the water level right there. We're gonna drain it down and the leaks will stop, but I wanted to test because there's so much rust in there, and given the condition of everything else here.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, I thought you owned the house.
No, no.
Oh, so who's paying me?
I'll pay.
You are, okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'll pay. That don't matter.
And your last name is Singh.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
All right.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So, he said it's not fixable, right?
It's fixable by replacing it.
Yeah, but not this one.
No.
How much that would cost?
I'm going to look that up right now. I told you, didn't I? I told you it was going to be a messy one. Why didn't you listen to me? It's disgusting. Make sure you check out Daniel's YouTube channel, DCHVAC, because he just installed one of 2 Bosch IDS 3.0 Ultra cold climate heat pump systems for an existing residential client. Here's the second one's going in next week, the same house. Let's go!